Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by fixing the essentials so you can act immediately. Identify your cash flow needs and a 1-year profit target. That focus drives every decision. Once done, learn double entry basics and how a profit and loss feeds the balance sheet, because understanding flows prevents costly errors. Make sure to set up a chart of accounts and choose spreadsheet templates or accounting software. With those in place, you can record transactions and start analyzing real numbers right away. Now deepen your skills by turning transactions into insight. Create monthly budgets and contrast actuals to forecast for variance analysis, because patterns show where to act. Once comfortable, calculate key ratios: gross margin, current ratio, return on investment, and break-even, to evaluate health and decisions. Make sure to build dynamic models that run scenarios and sensitivity tests, so you can see how revenue drops or cost rises affect cash runway. Practicing with real examples trains your judgment for live choices. Finish by operationalizing what you learned and keeping it resilient. Put controls in place: approval limits, bank reconciliations, and regular internal reviews so errors don't compound. Once implemented, optimize capital structure and working capital, trim slow inventory, tighten receivables, and choose financing that fits cost and flexibility. Make sure to run a weekly cash forecast and KPI dashboard to catch issues early. If numbers look wrong, backtrack to source entries and reconciliations as a troubleshooting step to find and fix the root cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.